Good morning. Thank you for calling Cafe Amante Restaurant. This is Dale. How may I help you?
Would like to make a table reservation, please.
Certainly whom I am speaking to.
Mr. Manlangit.
May I spell out your name? Mr. Manlangit? Did I get your name correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
May I know your contact details?
09659-111178.
Sir. Mr. Manlangit, should I make your reservation under your name?
Yes, please.
When do you want your reservation, sir?
Today, please.
For how many people, sir?
For 2 people only, sir.
What time do you want your reservation is?
6 p.m., sir.
For smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
May I repeat your table reservation?
Yes, please.
Have your table reservation at 6 p.m. today, May 29, 2024, for 2 person only, in the non-smoking area under your name, Mr. Manlangit, with your contact number of 0965-911178. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything would you like to request, sir?
None, sir.
Thank you for patronizing Cafe Amante Restaurant. We're looking forward to welcoming you.
Thank you, sir.